Public Wi-Fi hotspots are everywhere. Did you know your information like passwords and card numbers can easily be stolen when you use and connect with these networks? Additionally, hackers can use these networks to gain access to your computer and plant malware onto your system. Even if the website you're visiting is using HTTPS encryption, your data can still be intercepted with ease if you're connected to an unsecure network. So, does that mean you should never use these networks at all? Is there any way to be safe? Fortunately, there are 3 steps you can take to protect yourself when using public Wi-Fi hotspots. Use a VPN. One of the best ways to ensure your safety is to use a VPN. Like ExpressVPN, VPNs encrypt all traffic between your device and the VPN server so that anyone trying to look in will only receive scrambled nonsense. Try ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN is one of the most secure VPN providers currently available, allowing users to easily and quickly connect to their public networks without sacrificing their data security. Additionally, ExpressVPN offers over 3,000 servers in 94 countries, so you can always be sure that you're connected securely. As always, you can find links to the tools we use and even get a special deal on them. Avoid sharing and inputting sensitive information. You should always consider disabling file sharing and accessing sensitive information, such as logging into your bank, to further limit the risks. As much as possible, avoid using login details, especially if you're not using a VPN. Use an antivirus software. Finally, use antivirus software. Total AV is a great antivirus software that will help protect you from any viruses or malware that can be planted on your computer. Total AV has a range of features to ensure your online security and privacy. Download Total AV for free for extra protection when using public Wi-Fi hotspots. You can find the link in our description. By following these steps, you can be sure that you're safe and secure when connecting to public Wi-Fi networks. So go ahead and explore the internet without fear. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and let us know in the comments what we should talk about next. Stay safe out there.